Good morning everyone. Abril 17 sa Kabuntagon, alas 11 G's. Update ta sa Holy Thursday, Holy Week my friend. Guys, mingaw kayong daan. Init kayong panahon. Update sa traffic din yung napita. Init kayong panahon. Everyone, init kayo. Holy Week, Holy Thursday, Holy Week. Thank you for watching from Mexico, Philippines, Indonesia. Thank you for watching everyone. Traffic situation. From Cebu, Philippines. Dili kay traffic guys, kay tungod sa Holy Week. Init yung panahon. Amping yapon tatanan, kay init yung panahon. All drivers, be careful. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye bye. Subscribe. Three Kings Vlog.